Welcome to Optimizer Autobot Community Tutorial. In this session we will explain to you step by step how to register new member on our app, Optimizer Autobot. Download and install our app on Play Store. Use keyword Optimizer Autobot in your search box and then install it on your Android phone. Please use your referrer link to register yourself as member of Optimizer Autobot community. Click the link given by your referrer and open it on your browser. Fill the requested account details with your real ID, password and email for confirmation. And then click Register. Check your email inbox and click Confirmation link to activate your Optimizer Autobot account. Open Optimizer Autobot app and log in with your credentials that you have registered before, and your Optimizer Autobot dashboard will be showed with menus you can monitor such as trading account, profit sharing, network, your USDT wallet, etc. First step is done now. Next tutorial we will explain how to activate your subscription and set up your bot on your MT4 account. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you soon on our next tutorial video.